celebrations in Mumbai are always full of lights, color, and star power. And this week, it was debutant actor Ahan Pandey who made heads turn at Ashish Shelar's Ganpati festivities in Bandra. Ahan arrived with his father Chikki Pandey, and the father-son duo made a stylish yet humble appearance at the pandal. The young actor won over fans with his down-to-earth charm, pausing for selfies and greeting devotees with his trademark smile. Dressed in a classic ivory kurta with a mandarin collar and contrast black buttons, Ahan's festive look was simple yet stylish. The kurta featured a neatly tailored pocket panel with chevron stitch detailing, paired with rolled-up sleeves that lent a youthful, effortless edge. His outfit reflected understated elegance, keeping him comfortable amid the bustling Ganpati crowd. Standing beside him, Chikki Pandey opted for a relaxed yet smart look in a black polo shirt with the signature Ralph Lauren red logo, teamed with light blue denims. His casual yet smart look complemented Ahan's traditional attire, making their father-son outing a balanced mix of modern ease and festive tradition. Meanwhile, Ahan's debut film Saiyara is creating waves at the box office. Co-starring Aneet Padda, the Mohit Suri-directed romantic musical has been a massive hit. Now in its 7th week, the Mohit Suri-directed romantic musical has grossed 581 crore rupees worldwide. That includes 412 crore rupees from India and 169 crore rupees from overseas markets. Despite facing tough competition from big releases like Dhadk 2, Coolie, War 2, and Param Sundari, Saiyara is still going strong. Saiyara remains one of the top runners. From box office success to festive celebrations, Ahan Pandey is off to a flying start, blending stardom with humility and style with tradition. Alia Bhatt is undoubtedly one of the biggest stars in Bollywood today. With a string of hit films and a loyal fan base, she enjoys immense admiration, but also faces intense scrutiny and online trolling. In a recent candid conversation, Alia reflected on the constant pressure to appear perfect in the public eye. Addressing the challenges that come with fame, she shared, "I'm not going to try to project something that I'm not. There's a responsibility as a public personality, but sometimes in the flow, you say things, which is okay." She also touched upon her powerful speech at an awards show, where she made a point to highlight the importance of embracing one's flaws. "One of the things I said in my speech for the Time 100 Impact Award was that I was winning an award, but I wanted to celebrate my flaws because I think there is too much pressure to be unflawed today." Further opening up, the actress added, "I don't have all my ducks lined in a row, and I don't have all the right answers. I don't have a lot of what you call behavioral finesse, but I'm okay with that. That's who I am. If I'm pretending to be anything other than that, it's not who I am." Even Alia's most casual remarks tend to make headlines. A few months ago, during a makeup tutorial, she shared a personal anecdote about her lipstick preferences, and it quickly sparked controversy. "After applying the lipstick, I rub it off because one thing my husband, who was also my boyfriend, when we go out at night, he's like, wipe that off because he loves the natural color of my lips," she said. Social media erupted, with many labeling Ranbir Kapoor red flag based on the comment, despite the casual and affectionate context in which it was shared. Earlier this year, a viral video from an event showed Ranbir seemingly ignoring Alia, but the actress stood by her husband by liking a compilation that revealed a more caring and attentive side of him, dispelling the negativity surrounding the original clip. Ranbir's sister, Riddhima Kapoor Sahni, also came forward in support of the couple. In an interview, she praised their relationship and family life. They adore each other. They've created the most beautiful child ever, Raha. She is so adorable. They are amazing parents. So, I don't think they really care about what people say. Riddhima also had warm words for her sister-in-law. She's a great girl. Alia is amazing. Like how she is with my mom, also now, she's just amazing. Alia is actually a very warm and giving person. Whenever she does something, she does it dil se, wholeheartedly. Despite being constantly in the spotlight, Alia and Ranbir continue to navigate public life with grace. Whether it's dealing with viral criticism or simply living authentically, the couple remains focused on what matters most: love, family, and staying true to themselves. In 2013, Bollywood was shaken when Ranbir Kapoor and Katrina Kaif's Ibiza photos went viral. The images showed Katrina in a bikini and Ranbir in swim shorts, relaxing on a beach. At the time, the two stars had never publicly confirmed their relationship, but the pictures left little room for speculation. For years, it was believed that these were paparazzi or tourist photos. But now, a well-known photojournalist has revealed something shocking: the images weren't random clicks at all. They were leaked to the media by someone close to the actors. Appearing recently on a podcast, the photojournalist recalled breaking the news of several Bollywood romances. He admitted that he refuses to delete celebrity photos despite their requests, saying, "You need to be a little manipulative in such situations." He also remembered capturing Aditya Roy Kapoor and Ananya Pandey during their dating phase. And he proudly mentioned being the first to click Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif together when they left a Diwali party. He added, "आज नहीं तो कल निकलेगा ही निकलेगा, घर पे थोड़ी affair करने वाला है." It's not a one-night fling, is it? But these are the pictures that go viral the most. The last leak was Ranbir and Katrina on that beach. That was a long time ago. For the unversed, the Ibiza photos instantly went viral, sparking endless tabloid headlines and social media chatter. While some fans admired their chemistry, others slammed the incident as a clear invasion of privacy. Katrina later penned an open letter expressing her disappointment. She acknowledged the public's interest in celebrities but stressed that private moments must be respected. Ranbir too called the incident a breach of trust and urged the media to draw a line between public appearances and personal space. The episode raised big questions about media ethics, paparazzi culture, and celebrity privacy in India. It also sparked a wider debate on how far the media should go in covering personal lives, especially in today's digital age, where content goes viral in seconds. Despite the controversy, both Ranbir and Katrina moved forward in their careers. Their relationship, however, ended a few years later. But the Ibiza leak remains one of Bollywood's most talked about moments, a reminder of the thin line between curiosity and intrusion. Shah Rukh Khan and Suhana Khan are finally coming together on screen. The father-daughter duo will be seen in Siddharth Anand's upcoming high-octane action thriller, King, and the buzz around the film is massive. While most details about the shoot have been kept tightly under wraps, a social media post has gone viral, claiming to reveal Shah Rukh Khan's alleged look from the film. A social media user shared this photo of a man with grey hair walking out of a McDonald's. The image is zoomed in and pixelated, making it hard to identify the person clearly. However, the user claimed, "This is Shah Rukh Khan's look for King." The image also shows an international crew on location, which has added fuel to the fire. While the man does resemble SRK, there is no official confirmation yet. Fans who believe it is Shah Rukh are thrilled. Many are excited to see him flaunting a silver fox look once again, something they absolutely loved in At Least Jawan, which went on to become a blockbuster. Directed by Siddharth Anand, King is shaping up to be one of Bollywood's most high-profile action films. Plot details are still under wraps, but we know the basics. SRK will play a seasoned assassin navigating the dangerous underworld, while Suhana Khan will make her big-screen debut as his trainee, learning the art of survival and combat. The film stars a powerhouse cast: Shah Rukh Khan, Suhana Khan, Abhishek Bachchan as the main antagonist, Deepika Padukone, Anil Kapoor, Rani Mukherjee, Arshad Warsi, Jackie Shroff, Jaideep Ahlawat, Abhay Verma, and Raghav Juyal. Produced by Red Chillies Entertainment and Maflix Pictures, King promises next-level action, gripping storytelling, and a star-studded cinematic experience. While fans are buzzing about the viral image, it's important to note, we do not vouch for the authenticity of the picture. Actress Parineeti Chopra is glowing, and for all the right reasons. The actress, who is all set to embrace motherhood for the first time, seems to be living her life to the fullest. Recently, she took to Instagram and shared a video where her pregnancy glow was unmissable. Dressed in a soft striped night suit, Parineeti looked fresh, natural, and radiant. Relaxed at home, her face carried a warm glow, and her playful winks and gentle smiles only added to her charm. Even without makeup, her skin looked luminous, highlighting the soft joy of this new chapter. And that's not all. The actress also gave her fans a glimpse of how she spent the month of August. In her latest post, Parineeti shared a carousel of photos and videos, dressed in an off-shoulder fresh white one-piece. From the looks of it, August was indeed one of the happiest months of her life. For those who missed it, Parineeti and her husband, politician Raghav Chadha, announced their big news on 25th August through a heartfelt social media post. The couple shared a picture of a round cake with the message 1 + 1 = 3, along with 2 tiny golden footprints. They also posted a sweet video of themselves strolling through a park, hand in hand. The caption read, "Our little universe, on its way. Blessed beyond measure." Raghav and Parineeti tied the knot in May 2023 in Udaipur, Rajasthan, after dating for just a few months. Though always private about their relationship, their love story has truly captured hearts. On the professional front, Parineeti is also gearing up for her next big project, an untitled OTT series. The show will feature an ensemble cast including Tahir Raj Bhasin, Jennifer Winget, Harleen Sethi, Chaitanya Chaudhary, Sumit Vyas, and Anup Soni in key roles. As Parineeti steps into this exciting new journey of motherhood while balancing her career, one thing is certain, her glow says it all.